What's so cool about manufacturing?
Creativity, like tube bending,
And robotic welding at
Leonhardt Manufacturing.
Are you the original owner of this company?
I am not. So the original owner was a tool and die maker who immigrated from Germany. He started the company out of his garage. It was Hans Leonhardt Sr.
Okay, so guys, what do cranes, motorcycle parts, and chairs have in common? Does anybody know?
They're all made out of steel.
That's right, they're all tubular fabrications. And that's pretty much what we do here at Leonhardt Manufacturing. We take straight tubes, as you can see in the video here, we bend them, form them into whatever the customer asks us to make. We then take those parts, we weld them through a robotic operation that you're going to see out there on the floor. We have a polishing department where we polish, finish the parts, and then send them to our powder coaters or chrome platers, and then send them all over the world once they're finished.
As a project engineer, Tim ensures that Leonhardt's projects will come to life.
Machine operators work with other machinists to keep equipment running. A good example of this is a tube bending machine.
Even though Leonhardt uses robotic welding, welders are still important for precise or delicate projects. Scott supervises the day-to-day production of products like tubes and motorcycle handlebars.
Thanks to this quality engineer, Leonhardt exports the highest quality tubes in our area.
Ashley prepares products for shipment using many different types of equipment.
Bob oversees the whole shipping process at Leonhardt.